I believe the best way to learn from an online course is practical examples and resource files. This is why I have recorded many trading examples with the system, so you can see how I use the robot together with the never losing formula. Additionally, there will be resource files that will guide you step by step on how to start using the MetaTrader platform and installing the robot on the platform. It will be useful for you to download and learn these PDF files. I recommend printing them or keeping them on your computer or phone for a reference guide. There will be a quiz to test your new knowledge of the trading strategy. This way you will be sure that you don't miss anything important. There will also be an assignment to help you get started with trading and applying the new skills. It will be beneficial for you to complete it, especially if you are a beginner trader. There is also closed captioning, which we have prepared for all of our online courses. Click on the CC button on the bottom right corner of your screen to see the words as they are spoken. This is very useful if you are not able to listen to the audio for any reason. If you have any questions, personally for me, join our trading forum and leave your questions there. I will personally answer you and you will meet many advanced traders who share their experiences in trading. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to get more free videos from me.